Before Hurricane Florence, local residents traveled with the Red Cross to help recovery efforts after the storm. But with the help from the state line, that has not ceased. One local company is asking for donations to send over to Florence victims. Brianna Marcella spent some time in Freeport and she joins us now with more.
That's right, Jerica. Residents in Freeport got together this morning to fill a semi-truck with relief items. And the plan is for one driver to take the items collected and give them to go to those in need it most in the Carolinas.
The Freeport community and Etchberger Trucking is rallying together after Hurricane Florence made landfall in the Carolinas on Friday, leaving behind devastation.
And when you see the devastation and you're physically in that space and you see how those people are living, it was a no-brainer when the forecast was talking about Hurricane Florence coming to landfall. We just knew right away that we needed to get involved and we needed to get hands on deck to make that happen.
Etchberger Trucking is asking for people to come out and donate enough relief supplies and non-perishables to fill up this semi-trailer that sits on East South Street in front of Bacher Auto Group.
We wanted to fill up a trailer, take the stuff down to the people in need, give it to some real people, and just help everybody out. You know, together we're better together for sure. United we stand. So if we can drop all this stuff off and really give it to some people in need, that's our plan.
On Sunday morning, a handful of residents took time out of their day, making an assembly line loading the truck before it takes off on its trip down south.
Take it for granted how nice we have it around here, and fortunately we never would experience a hurricane, so it's kind of our way to help with others that we can't do here.
We're pretty fortunate up here for devastations. I mean, I couldn't imagine, losing a house and a family, and it's just, anything helps. A jar of peanut butter, anything.
The Etchberger family knows from experience that these donation drives are exceedingly helpful in crisis. The trucking company previously sent out a trailer of relief items to help Hurricane Harvey victims. Over the next several days, the family asked for the community to step up and help out.
We'd love to see as many people support this as we can. We'd love to be able to go down with a full trailer load just to do our part.
We never know when something's going to happen to us where we would need the help of others to pull through. So I think every little bit counts no matter where you're at.
United we stand and divided we fall.
You can drop off your donations anytime between 7 to 7 every day at the dealership in Freeport until Thursday. Find that on our website at mystateline.com.
Great, thanks, Brianna.